Removing vinyl decals and graphics from RVs can be tough, especially when they're old and cracked. But with GraphXOff, the process becomes much easier, helping in the restoration process of your vehicle's surface to its original condition. Start by cleaning the area with soap and water. This removes dirt and grime, allowing GraphXOff to work effectively on the vinyl area. Next, cover nearby surfaces with masking tape or plastic. This protects them from GraphXOff, which can damage things like paint and floor epoxy if it comes in contact. Put on protective gloves and apply a generous amount of GraphXOff to a natural bristle brush. Avoid using nylon brushes as they can break down during use. Spread a thick, even layer of GraphXOff over the decal area. Aim for a thickness of about 1/16 of an inch and be careful not to apply it to other surfaces. While GraphXOff sits on the surface, you may notice the vinyl begin to bubble and swell. This process can take anywhere from 15 to 45 minutes, depending on the vinyl. Test small areas every 10 minutes. When the vinyl has softened, use our adhesive removal plastic blade to gently scrape it off. Wipe it into a paper towel to avoid making a mess. If any vinyl remains, simply reapply GraphXOff to finish the job. To get rid of any leftover adhesive, spray a light coat of sprayable GraphXOff on the area and wipe clean with a paper towel. A very important step is neutralizing GraphXOff. After removing the graphics, wash the area with soap and water to remove any product and rinse well to protect the surface from damage. You may notice ghosting around the edges of the old decals. This is caused by the gel coat oxidizing over time and can usually be cleaned up with buffing and polishing.